Hey guys, welcome to the She Shed. I'm Nicole. In today's video, I'm going to show you 4 projects that I gave my own little personal touch to. But before we get started, if you like DIY and organization videos, be sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. So let's get started. First project is this really cute little sign that I made for my half bath. I found this chalkboard at Hobby Lobby, and I'm using a transfer from Chalk Couture to make this sign. First I sand down my edges really good, and then I take a mixture of acrylic paint, burnt umber, and a little bit of black, and I use that to stain my frame. And then once that's all dry, I apply my transfer, and then I have this really cute, adorable sign. Project number 2. I also found this at Hobby Lobby in their clearance section, and part of the T for the word kitchen was broken off. So I knew I could do something really cute with this. I had this transfer from Chalk Couture. It has this really cute saying on it, and my idea is to take the word kitchen off and apply would eat here again 4.5 stars to this roll pin. As you can see, taking off that word was not as easy as I thought it was going to be. And after prying and prying, I made some gouges, and then I tried to do some touch-up stain, and it just wasn't working out. So I decided to apply some white chalk paint, to the board to cover that up. Once my paint was completely dried, I applied my transfer and I smooth it really good. I make sure that I have no air bubbles because I don't want any bleed through when I apply my paste. And now my favorite part, removing the transfer. It's like magic every time. Project number 3. I also found this picture at Hobby Lobby in the clearance section and fell in love with it, but I felt like it just needed something on the top part, and I had the perfect transfer in mind for this project. Project number 4, the last one of this video. So I found these Slate Posters at Walmart in their craft section and thought, how cute would these be with some funny little sayings on them? And I have the perfect transfer for this. As always, apply your transfer, smooth everything out, make sure you have no air bubbles so there's no bleed through. This particular project took me less than 5 minutes to do. And here's another look at all the projects that I did in today's video. If you're interested in the transfers that I used, I'll leave a link down in the description box. I'm curious to know which project was your favorite. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.